Hey guys, what's up? So, got a couple things that I'm unboxing for you guys. So, Lip Monthly, I paid for 2 months of it, kind of. So I just got my last one here, and this was a few months ago. May? Yeah, May. So here are some of the products I got. I canceled them just because they literally took too long. Really? Is this really Lip Monthly? Yeah. Okay, so my first item is the Jarrell Parker. It is the original Fango Mud Therapy with sweet almond oil, avocado oil, green tea, antioxidants, volcanic ash minerals used on face and body. This product is 100% vegan, which is nice. This protects your skin from harmful damage caused by free radicals and pollutants in the environment. It intensely moisturizes with a hydrating blend of sweet almond and avocado oil, softly rejuvenates with anti-aging green tea antioxidants, gently exfoliates with volcanic ash minerals, minimizes pores, reduces fine lines, and deep cleanses, decreases dark circles, and reverses sun damage. This also purifies to bring out your body's natural luster and tone. We never test on animals. Okay, that's cool. So I will definitely give this a try. So I'm going to put that in my skincare box because those are the items that I'm using for the time being. The next thing is the Manna Kadar bronzer and highlighter. This is what it looks like. This, I don't know. Gosh, I broke it. It's okay. Step 3. How is it? What's this? Okay. Cool. Manna Kadar is a really nice company. I don't have many products of them. I do have some lippies, and like a few other things. Ooh, okay, this is like really soft. It seems a little powdery. The bronzer I don't think would be for me. It's like a shimmer. I think it's really nice though. I really like it. Very pretty. But yeah, like I don't think I would use it for a bronzer. I think I'd more or less use it for like eyeshadow or something. I don't know. Alright, the next thing is called Lord and Berry Crayon Lipstick. So it's this color. It's like a bright pink. That's kind of disappointing. Very creamy. I mean, it's a very pretty color. It kind of reminds me of like a summer color. So, I mean, it's a really nice color to go by, but it just kind of sucks that it literally just broke on me. Let me take that off because Alright, I have one more item. Now, they're like, Lip Monthly is actually it's a really nice company, but they take forever to get it. So, I got Luna by Luna. Very, very cute packaging. This is in the shade Gemini. Doesn't really have a smell. This is an eyeshadow crayon. I thought Lip Monthly is a lip product. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. Very nice. I think they probably just ran out of so many products, and that's why they literally just sent me different stuff. I don't know. Whatever. I'm okay with it because honestly, I actually I canceled them like 2 months ago, and I finally just got my last thing, and they're just now getting whatever. Alright, so my dad got me this Amazon gift card, and I ordered a couple things, and I wanted to try these items. So I got the Maybelline instant age rewinder thing. So I've been wanting to like really try this out, and I was like, oh man, I just don't know. I've been seeing so many people try it, and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So I mean, yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's nothing new, nothing amazing. It's just something to give it a try. I don't know how to open it apparently. But yeah, I got the shade 110 Fair, so I can just use it for my thing. Yeah. And then CoverGirl just sent out, or did a new eyeshadow palette. It is called That's So Rad. I'm gonna end up throwing this away because I don't want it, I don't need it. But here are the shades. I think it is a really cute palette. I saw it on Influencer, and I was like, I want to give this a try. I think it's a very pigmented shadow palette. Has like mermaid vibes. So I'm gonna definitely give this a try. I'm excited though. Like, I'm so excited to give this one a try. It's so colorful. I've been trying to like get into like a lot of the colorful palettes as well, and yeah. Well, that's pretty much it, you guys. I appreciate you guys joining in and checking this out, this unboxing. I have been doing some every now and again when I can, or when I order something and I unbox it, but there's times that I haven't been able to really unbox anything. Like, I don't have BoxyCharm, I don't have Ipsy, I don't have any boxes anymore, and kind of sad about it. I really want my BoxyCharms back, but I'll eventually get them back soon. I know that I will. Let me know if you guys have any questions on pharmacy products or products that I just shown you guys, or Lip Monthly. Do not get it. I promise you, you're not gonna like it. And any other products. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.